upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of shopping. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy showdown between two heavyweight contenders in the cleaning ring: the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. First, let's talk money. The BISSELL is priced at a whopping $175, while the Kenmore is a steal at just $89. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Kenmore, noting that it offers great value for those looking to save money without compromising on performance. On the other hand, BISSELL's higher price reflects its advanced features and versatility, making it a worthy investment for those with tougher cleaning jobs. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The BISSELL boasts powerful, high-temperature steam and comes with 29 accessories, making it highly effective for tough stains, especially in homes with pets and heavy grime. Reviewers rave about its ability to tackle challenging cleaning tasks. In contrast, the Kenmore promises to remove 99.9% of dust and sanitize floors without residue, making it a quick and effective choice for everyday cleaning. However, some users mention that it might not be as powerful as the BISSELL for heavy-duty jobs. When it comes to versatility, the BISSELL takes the cake. It transforms into an extended reach and handheld steam cleaner, ideal for hard-to-reach spots. Reviewers love this feature for its practicality. Meanwhile, the Kenmore can also tackle carpets and upholstery, which is great for quick cleanups, but some users desire more power in its handheld mode. The Kenmore is versatile, but it doesn't quite match the BISSELL's extensive capabilities. Let's talk about ease of use. The BISSELL has a swivel head for maneuverability, but lacks automatic cord rewind, which some users find inconvenient. Reviewers mention it can be heavy and cumbersome during long cleaning sessions. The Kenmore, on the other hand, is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it feel more user-friendly. Many users appreciate how quickly it heats up and its simplicity, though some note that the cord length is shorter than desired. In summary, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 is praised for its powerful cleaning abilities and versatility, making it perfect for tough jobs, while the Kenmore SM2050 is celebrated for its affordability and ease of use, suitable for everyday cleaning tasks. However, both products have their drawbacks as noted by users. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the steam mops, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 offers more versatility and power for a higher price, while the Kenmore SM2050 is a budget-friendly champion that still gets the job done. Which one is the right fit for you? It all comes down to your cleaning needs and your wallet. If you enjoyed this showdown, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart shopping tips. And remember, whether you're blasting away stains or just trying to keep your home clean, always buy smart. Until next time, keep it steamy.